Hello everybody and welcome to a video of me explaining to you guys everything there is to know about music. Music is art of sound in time that expresses ideas and motions in significant forms through the elements of rhythm, melody, harmony, and color. Okay guys, that was a voice crack. This is my first episode on this channel, or video. As you can see here, on this page here is, there's words here that say the basic music theory packet, and I'm basically making what it says there, a basic music theory packet about everything about music, by me of course. And the first page here is, like I said in the title, note names and clefs. So we are going to go over this, what I made here, and yeah, I have other pages, but for now we're just gonna go, in this video we're just gonna explain everything there is about note names and clefs. So note names. This right here is a grand staff. From here to like down to here. The notes are listed from the first C below the staff all the way up to the last C above the staff in treble clef. Now, if you don't know what treble clef is, here's the definition of treble clef here. Treble clef is also called the G clef because the symbol at the beginning of the staff is stylized as the letter G. It kind of looks like a G. And it is on the second line of the staff, indicating that that line is to be G4, or the note above middle C. And then I go on listing all the instruments that use treble clef. Now this funky little symbol right there, that's called a bass clef, and it is an F clef. It lies on the fourth line. I also list down here all the instruments that use bass clef, and it's called an F clef, lies on the fourth line. So the fourth line here in bass clef is F, as you can see right here. So you got C, C right here, and then there's another C right here in the middle of the staff. Then right here, see where these two lines are pointing? That is middle C. That is the middle of the staff. That is the note in the middle of the piano, where the note in the very center of the piano, and it kind of sounds like this. Or it is that note, not kinda. But middle C is in the middle of the grand staff, and that's why they call it middle C. So right here is middle C, and also this is the same note there. So you got the order of the notes is C, E, F, G. Now G is the first line on the staff, then you have A, B, and then C again. Now from this C to the bottom C is an octave, and an octave is 8 notes, and there's 8 notes from this C to this C. So if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including this last note here, 8 octave. So from here to here is an octave. And then you get from C to C, the middle C. Another name for middle C is also C3, because it's the third C in the grand staff. The first C is C1, the second one is C2, third one's C3, and then this is C3. This is C4 right here, and then this one is C5. So yeah, that is all the notes on the grand staff. Now there's many more clefs in music. I'm just giving you the basic 2 clefs that writers and composers use in music, which is treble clef and bass clef. You see that a lot. But there's also clefs like tenor clef, alto clef, baritone clef, mezzo-soprano clef that composers use a lot. But for the main instruments use either treble or bass. And I'd just like to say, guys, thanks for watching this little explanation video of me teaching you guys what the note names in music are, and the two main clefs are in music. If you learned something, like the video. If you didn't, I don't care what you do. Give me some feedback in the comments below, and in the next video, I will teach you about something else about music that I don't know yet. But anyway, see you in the next video.